In 5 months without a budget in Jefferson County, government leaders tried tonight to break that long impasse. Thanks for joining us at 10. I'm Rolly Hoyt.
And I'm Faith Woodard. Disputes between members of the quorum court and County Judge Gerald Robinson shut down the government for weeks and forced lawmakers to step in. But THV 11's Catherine Rowley reports tonight the court tried a different approach.
Thanks, Rolly and Faith. If you remember, Senate Bill 182 was passed during this last legislative session, which required a county that hadn't passed a budget to pay their employees and operate on the previous year's budget. For the last 5 months, the county has operated off of that 2024 budget, but things could be moving forward, now just requiring a signature.
All those in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
A vote that has not been able to pass before Friday night in a county that has gone over 5 months without a budget. But the process has taken longer than anticipated.
We had a proposed budget that we had to have 3 readings to make it legal to proceed.
3 was the magic number in Jefferson County on Friday night. Doc Victorino, the Justice of the Peace for District 12, says that at the end of that 3rd reading, the process is closer to being complete.
Therefore, the county will officially have a budget.
Reginald Johnson, the Justice of the Peace for District 3, said that it's been a long process. There's also been a lot of back and forth between some of the justices and the judge, not just about the budget.
We've gone round and round trying to get the procedural ordinance passed and the budget.
The budget now has to go to the desk of Judge Gerald Robinson, who was not in attendance at the meeting to sign off. But Johnson says he's hopeful it will get signed.
And so we hope that he does not veto the budget, but we'll take it one day at a time.
Throughout the last 5 months, Victorino told me that he wants to see the county move forward, something Johnson echoed.
Myself and the other 7 JPs, we're trying to move Jefferson County forward, and there is no agenda behind it other than to help the counties.
Alfred Carroll, the Justice of the Peace for District 1, says that the meeting was allowed under new procedural ordinance that was passed last month, and explained to me a little bit about the newer process to get that budget passed.
Utilizing a clause in our new procedure ordinance that allows an ordinance to have a supermajority or a super sponsorship.
Now, all 3 justices of the peace that I spoke to are hoping that Judge Robinson signs that budget, but if he doesn't sign it within 7 days or vetoes it, it will become law. I reached out to Judge Robinson and he provided me with the statement saying in part, quote, that I question the validity of the members coming together and deciding to have a meeting, as some of the members were not contacted as I was informed. These 8 members continue to violate statutes regarding proper notice for the meeting, unquote. In the studio, Catherine Rowley, THV 11 News.